Hi everyone. I've got these little maple leaves. I'm going to make a pair of earrings out of them. Now, I won't promise they'll be quick because I think these are the steel wires. I think I'm going to roll them down, so maybe they will be quick. We're going to take it and put it face down onto our wire and then close it up. Always twist. Don't pull it apart. And if it doesn't go all the way close, you wiggle it a little bit, like that. Tonight is New Year's Eve, so I'm sitting here making jewelry because we don't go anywhere. I don't think I've got that one open far enough. Okay, just twist it. Oops. Put it on backwards. Put it on like that. And then twist it back. And twist it a little bit. Because it didn't seem like it didn't close as good because I guess that charm is so thick. And there. Alright, now I don't know that I'm going to use them little ones. I laid them out, but I'm going to put one of the purples on, and I think they're dyed. I don't think they're solid. And then the bead cap. Because these, they look dyed. I don't know where I got them, but yeah, I think that they're dyed. I have to do a test one and see if it if the color comes off. I just did a pair earlier and I think they were dyed too. Some of them that I have don't look dyed, but these do. So, but they'll keep their color as long as you don't wash them off. I mean, eventually they'll lose it, but I don't know. I don't know if these are dyed or if they've been sprayed with some kind of resin. That's what it's going to look like. And yeah, we're going to roll these down. So I'm going to hold it down here at the bottom. And I'm going to leave about a ½ inch, maybe a hair more. Try not to make it fly across the room. So we'll have about that much there. And what I'm going to do is just take it and roll it down. Leave a little bit more on the next one. So I didn't get as close to the end of my pliers as I needed to. Alright. I'll do that again. Leave a little bit more this time. I don't know where it went, but it hit my table. I heard it. Try to get as close to the tips as you can, but you'll pop off. Once you get the curl on there, it's a whole lot easier to curl it down. And see, it's just a roll. If you can't do the little wire twist, if you can't twist it like that, I need to tighten that one up. It's a whole lot easier to do it this way. And I'll show you, let me find a piece of wire. I'm going to show you 3 different ways. You can either take the end of your wire and just roll it down. Like it will be together, but this is just a rough example because this is thick wire. You can roll it down like that. So we'll cut this off. Or you can take it, and if it's hard wire, you just go like that. And make like an eye pin. Alright, I'll unroll that now. Now, you could also go like this, and you roll it back, take it across. Make you a loop like that. And then hold it with you round those and then go around it. And that's the harder way. You just tighten it down, make sure it's flush, and then if you have rough edges, sand them down. I mean, there's a rough example, because this wire is thicker than what I wanted, but I'll show you on a thinner piece. Let's see. A thinner piece of wire, and I'll show you on it, because it'll work out a whole lot easier. You just go around about 3 times, and then you clip it off. And thinner wire would work good on pearls because they always have a hole drilled really small. But dead soft wire will work like this, so you can go up a few gauges until you have difficulty wrapping it around. Let's get back to what we were doing. like your pendant the way it's going to be. I might have to twist this one. We'll see. Might have to twist that one a little bit. We'll see how it hangs. Yeah, we're going to have to turn it a little bit. Alright, I should have checked that before I hung it on there. My son's in there being quite loud. He's got a friend that lives in Australia, and I think that he's talking to them, because I think it's already New Year's there. Let's check this one first and make sure we've got it where it hangs. Alright, we want that one front. So this one's going to hang like this. And this one's going to have to turn like that. Something's wrong with that bead. It don't look right. I didn't break it. I don't know. It's not sitting on that bead cap right. Alright, let me lay them down. Take it. Oops. Put it on backwards. Hold the charm. You about need to hold the little spring thing down because it gets in your way. That's right. So there. Not a wire over. Right, those are maple leaf earrings we just made. It's simple. You just get 2 charms and some eye pins and some ear wires. You don't have to have big caps if you don't want to. And you can just roll it down. And it's simple as that. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a good one, and I hope you have a wonderful year, and I'll see you on the next one. And until then, y'all take care of yourself. Bye-bye.